This is Terri Pascarelli with MVP Realty. I appreciate you joining our virtual open house. Before we get started though, let me know where you're dialing in from or watching from. In the comments below, let me know where you are today. City, state. Last week we had viewers chiming in from the Northeast, from Pennsylvania, and locally. So I'm really curious about where you are today. Do me a favor and leave a comment, and I'll be able to follow up and see where you're from. And thanks for joining us today. If we haven't met before, I'm Terri Pascarelli, MVP Realty. I use my knowledge of Naples and Southwest Florida real estate to make great matches for my clients and getting them their new home, their dream home in the Naples area. Today I'm going to take you on an open house tour, a room by room tour of this property presented by MVP Realty and listed at $1,165,000. While you enjoy the curb appeal of this home, let me also share with you some information about the neighborhood and where we're located. This fine home is located in the Conners Vanderbilt Beach, which is a boating community. The homes here feature wide Gulf access canals in the back and private docks behind the majority of the homes. Access to the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico are only about 20 minutes away from the Conners neighborhood. The community is comprised of 17 streets that are accessible from Vanderbilt Drive, including this property on Pine Avenue. In addition to the terrific boating access, residents live very close to a Naples favorite, Vanderbilt Beach, with its soft white sand and popular establishments including the Turtle Club and the Ritz-Carlton, both right on the beach. So let me know your priority, boating or beach. Leave a comment for me below. When you're watching this, whether it's live or later on, I'll come back to your comments to follow up. And you'll help me see how to focus where our next virtual tours in the communities are that you want to see most. Now this community, in addition to boating and beach access, also is just blocks from the upscale Mercado shopping center with its restaurants, shops, and theater, and the airport is a convenient 30 minutes away. Now I'm with you here live today, so if you see something, have a question, want to know more, just call or text me while we're here at 317-903-9230. I can call you back while I'm here, put the camera back on to show you more, and make sure we get your questions answered. So for now, let's take a walk right up to the front door and let's go visit the single family home with attached garage, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. This home has a lot to offer, and I'm going to tell you 3 big reasons why you should consider making this your Naples home. Come on in. Welcome. As we enter the home, we're in the main living dining area. You can see the dining room is at the front of the home, featuring a big window and a beautiful view outside. Room for a full-size table. And in the main living area, there is comfortable seating. You can see how well this home has been remodeled. Tile floors, easy to maintain throughout. So come with me into the next key part of the home. And here is big reason number 1 why you want to consider making this your Naples home. I'm here in the remodeled kitchen and we're surrounded by walls of windows. So big reason number 1, the walls of windows really bring together the comfort of this remodeled home and the beauty of its outside backyard. While we're here in the kitchen, let me point out to you the updated cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and in addition to that, you can pull up a bar seat to have a meal or a snack, really enjoying all of the conveniences of this modern and very efficient kitchen. So this is a great way to start our tour, our kitchen and our wall of windows. Now, second, we're going to take a walk down the hall and see the bedrooms. You're going to see that this is a split floor plan where two of the bedrooms are off one side of the home, another bedroom off the other side. And big reason number two, why you want to consider this as your next home in Naples, is right down this hall. We're going to pass first a hallway closet area that contains your washer and dryer, very convenient. And we're going to take a walk into the third bedroom, a guest bedroom. Plenty of room, nice big window facing the front of the home, room for your guests. Again, plenty of room here. But reason number two is that of the 3 bedrooms in this home, 2 of them are set up as master suites. So the next room we visit, adjacent to your guest room, is the first master suite. This room is large, has a seating area, walk-in closet, more tile floors that are very convenient to maintain. This home looks out to the back of the house, so the big window gives you a nice view outside, and it features its ensuite bath. That ensuite bath is nicely tiled, features a tub shower combination, lets the light in as well, and just makes this the first of 2 nice master retreats in this home. Overall in this home, there are, as we said, 3 bedrooms and 3 baths with 1,500 square feet under air. As you come back down the hall, we'll be able to show you your next master bedroom retreat, bedroom number 3. So come in here. We're actually right behind me. Plenty of room to relax. Feels just very comforting. Nice getaway. This room again has an ensuite bath. Tile shower, more granite, updated fixtures. So that is big reason number 2, the 2 master suites. But I've held the best for last, which is our big reason number 3, why you're going to want to consider making this your dream home in Naples. So come with me, because the piece de resistance is really the tropical backyard. We're going to go outside and see what this home really has to offer. So welcome to your own private oasis. Isn't this lovely? So this backyard features a beautiful pool with a very modern ledge area. It looks right out to the canal. The canal, which again offers Gulf of Mexico water access just about 20 minutes away. You can see that there's plenty of room for seating for your guests, for entertaining, or just coming out here to relax with a good book or a nice tropical drink. And yet, for all of the beauty of this part of the yard, that's not all. So we're going to take a little walk further here into the yard and let you really see what you have access to in terms of some additional areas to relax and enjoy, and more good water views. So as we come here in your private yard, which is protected with a very nice privacy hedge, we come upon fire pit and a hammock hanging between two of the tall, beautiful trees down here at the end of the yard. And as you can see, when you're here, you have the perfect view to the west for fantastic Naples sunsets and for those wonderful water views. This is really stunning and very peaceful. It's a great spot to call your own. On this beautiful sunny day in Naples, we'll take a walk around the other part of the yard, which features your own private dock. So whether you want to launch a kayak, a canoe, put in a boat lift, sit outside on what's here now, the beautiful Adirondack chairs for another piece of paradise, the dock is here right adjacent to your backyard. There is really nothing wanting here in this tropical oasis that's been so beautifully designed in the backyard of our 3-bedroom, 3-bath home presented by MVP Realty and listed for $1,165,000. So here you are, ready to enjoy your own private dock or head back to the heated resort-style swimming pool, the outdoor kitchen grill area, and the beautiful trees for shade and privacy, including the fruit trees that are here in the yard. It's the whole package. So to recap, this listing, which is here courtesy of MVP Realty, is a single-family home offering 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and an attached garage in a community with canal water access, and so close to the popular Vanderbilt Beach. When we talk about location, this is exactly what we're talking about. This can be your own piece of paradise as your private home, or consider it as an investment as it has an established rental history. This beautifully remodeled home provides the open floor plan with 2 master suites. That's a big reason to look at it. The other big reason is the wall of windows that really unite the beautiful comfort of inside with coming out here into this tropical oasis. Those are the first 2 big reasons, and big reason number 3 is this wonderful outdoor space with the resort style heated pool, modern ledge area, kitchen grill, private dock, lovely trees to hang that hammock and stare at the long, sparkling canal views. This is a property to call home and enjoy all that Naples has to offer. So don't wait. If you have questions or want to see more, I can set up a private showing for you. Give me a call or text 317-903-9230 to Terri Pascarelli, and I will set up a private appointment for you. So what I'd also ask you to do as we are coming to the conclusion of our virtual open house tour, leave me a note below. I've shared 3 big reasons why this is a favorite property here in Naples. Well, how about for you? What is your big favorite reason? The wall of windows connecting inside and out, or the 2 master suites, or this fabulous outside getaway? I look forward to hearing and seeing what you think. And I also look forward to helping you find your home in Naples. So thanks for joining my virtual open house today, and look for more virtual open houses that I'll be hosting soon. Text or call 317-903-9230 for more info so you can live that Southwest Florida lifestyle that you deserve. Thanks for joining us. I'll see you soon.